Hello everyone, welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorial channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to transfer files from one Google Drive account to another Google Drive account in very simple and easy steps. You may require to transfer files from one Google Drive account to another Google Drive account when the drive is full or you no longer gonna use that account. In this case, generally what we are practicing is we download the files or folders in the computers or laptops local disk from the existing account and then upload it to the another account or the new account. This is quite lengthy process and you might not be quite interesting to do so. So here I am going to show you how that can be achieved without downloading from one account and uploading to another. We can easily transfer the files or folders from one account to another account. You just need to change the ownership for that. So let me show you how. Here for this demo, I have two Gmail accounts and two drives associated with the accounts. In this drive, I am going to create a folder. So for that, I just right click on here and then click on new folder. I just give the folder name as a test folder and then click on create. As you can see, the folder is created. Just double click on it. Here I'm gonna create a file. For that, just right click and click on Google Docs. Here I give the title as test doc and then I just write a line. This is just a test document. And then I just close this document. Here as you can see, the document is created. So for this demo, let's assume that I want to transfer this folder to another account so that even if I don't have access to this account or I no longer want to use this account, I will have the file saved in another account. Sometimes you find your Google Drive which is allowing you to give 15 GB space for free. That may be full. In that case also you may want to transfer the folders or files from one account to another account. So I will transfer this folder to this account so that I will get that here permanently. So right click on this folder and then click on share. Give the address that you want to transfer to. Just click on this drop down. I can organize, add and edit. That's the permission, full permission. And then click on advanced. Now click on send. The main thing is here you need to edit the permission. From here you need to click on is owner. This means you are transferring the ownership from this account to this account, so that even if you delete from the previously owned account, that will not be deleted from the new ownership. You just need to transfer the ownership. Now it's done. Click on save changes and click on S. Click on done. Now let's go to the another account or another account's Google Drive and wait for a moment, or you can just reload the drive. Here you can see the test folder. Now I go to the previous account, another account, and I delete from here. So for that, I just right click and click on remove. Also, I check on the trash. It's not here. So I reload this page and here I don't see the folder. Now I go to the another account and here still we have the folder. Let me reload the page. Okay, even if we reload the page, the folder is still there. That's not deleted. Okay guys, this is how we can transfer files or folders from one Google Drive account to another Google account drive very easily in simple steps. I hope this video was useful to you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next. Until then, have a nice time. Goodbye.